Hello and welcome to part 2, and now let's get back to this. So what we're going to do, we go into r.ide.bstart, because that's what we named it, remember? Now, so we have this button initialized. Java knows it's there. So now what we had to do is actually make it do something when it clicks. So how we're going to do this is do start dot set on click listener. This is setting the listener, so it will listen till something clicks, like a touch. So now we're going to go in this and type new on click listener and brackets. So in here is going to be the place. And I already implemented on click listener, or it did it, I don't know. So now we have to go over this and add unimplemented methods. So this is going to implement the method that is actually the on click. So when it clicks, this method is going to go. So remember, we wanted this to start, so it's going to start our game. So first let's make a new class. We can just name this game view. And so yeah, we can just make the basics of this extends activity. Control-Shift-O. Wait. But, well, that's spelled wrong. You had to be able to spell in coding activity and go over it. And then go over this. Okay, Control-Shift-O to import it. So now we can do our on create method just here, but control space to make all these options appear. So now set content view, and let's make the layout of this class. So we can just do this fast in new other Android XML file. We can just name this game.xml. Finish. Now here we can just put in a text view. Go back here, make this say you are in the game. And yeah, so that's good enough. So go back here and we can do r.layout, because R is basically resources, so resource layout. Then in our layout we have game, because we made it. So there, now we have game. We can save this, and okay, so we have this class, and we can just go back to title and go on our on click. And in here, we want to make an intent. So we go intent, we can just name this I equals new intent. You know, new intents are awesome. And Control-Shift-O to import stuff. Intent and these, I don't want that. Create Shift-O. Now we can put a semicolon, and then in here we can just put v.getContext. Remember, v is this. It's the view on the on click. Now this, then we're gonna say our class name, so game view dot class